A Haas Vertical Machining Center model VF5XT, serial number 1160-317. This machine was new in 2019 and we are going to run it for you. Machine is running right now actually at 2,000 RPM. It goes up to 8,100 RPM. 4,000, you can't even hear it. 7,500 RPM. Machine has 60 inches of X travel, 26 of Y, and 25 of Z. Right now he is simulating a tool change. And we're doing another. And another. Machine also has a wireless intuitive programming system, which is made by Renishaw. He's running the Z-axis right now. You also have programmable coolant nozzle. That's running the X. Again, you have 60 in the X, 26 in the Y, and 25 in that Z. Now he's running the Y-axis. A large T-slotted table, 62 by 23. 4,000 pound table capacity. Machine also has a chip auger.